With the ocean as my guide, top down, riding, the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo, West Coast, where the sun sets slow. Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Get the cues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats underneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. So smooth, leave them shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that baseline grooving, life feels so grand. Hey yo, West Coast, where the sun sets gold. Cruising past the waves, feel that rhythm unfold. Beachfronts to backyard, parties in sight. Under neon skies that light up the night. Yo, hit the boulevard, hit a tire screech. Soundtrack of the streets, with that funkin' reach. Got my shades on, keeping it classy, not fast. Rolling like a 79. We're built to outlast. Hey yo, West Coast, let's groove till we drop.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was... Shit. Anyone home?